What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about my fifth dividend payment with Exxon Mobil, ticker symbol XOM. Now, ironically, this fifth dividend payment is actually a year later since I started investing with Exxon Mobil. So this will be a pretty cool video to kind of see what the dividend payment has done in a full year, and also to see my overall return in regards to Exxon Mobil. So I'm very excited about that in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I have been all over the place in regards to the stock market. And of course, this war with Ukraine has not necessarily helped. My portfolio is kind of down recently, but now we're all the way up. You know what I mean? So I'm really excited to share with you guys currently where my portfolio is and what has happened in the last year in regards to dividend payments from Exxon Mobil, as well as my overall return in basically a year since I've invested with Exxon Mobil. So right now on the screen, I have currently my portfolio with Robinhood. And as you guys can see, currently it's valued at $294,000. Currently today, I'm up $6,000 because of Apple and Tesla, and of course some other stocks in my portfolio, but mostly Apple. Apple's up like over $3 today, and that really had a lot to do with the fact that I'm up $6,000 right now. Now, initially, my investment in the stock market is only $254,000. So I'll show you guys real quickly by clicking all here on the screen. And then I'll show you that basically since May of 2020, which is kind of when I started to reinvest in the stock market, I've only invested $254,000. So right now, my portfolio is worth $294,000. So basically, I am up $40,000. Of course, that's always exciting. Okay, so that's May 2020, and it's currently March 2022. So that's not bad at all. Okay, let me go ahead and show you guys what's going on in my Exxon with Exxon Mobil. So as you guys can see here, right now my average cost with Exxon Mobil is $45 even, which is really, really cool. And Exxon is trading right now for $83.40. So my overall return since I started investing with Exxon Mobil is I'm up 85%. Talk about, I wish I had invested more money with this particular stock, I would be up even more. But, you know, hindsight's always 20/20, and we can only connect the dots looking backwards, not necessarily looking forward, because we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow or the next month in regards to the stock market, or life for that matter. So currently I'm up 85%, which happens to be $4,236. That is exciting. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. I don't remember when I bought shares with Exxon, but it's easy to figure it out. I'm going to go ahead and click on show more here and just kind of go back and see the very first time I bought shares with Exxon. So as you guys can see, way back here, December 17th, 2020, I bought $4,500 worth of shares, and that was it. I didn't spend more than $4,500, which is really, really cool. And so that's basically the only money that I've invested in regards to Exxon. Is that right? I think that's right. Let's see. I have no. Okay, I had a couple more buys here, but let me show you guys my dividend payments, because the first dividend payment that I got was way back here, March 10th, 2021. So you can see March 10th, June is payment 2, September is payment 3, December is payment 4, and then March 10th, 2022 is payment 5. So a year later, my first dividend payment with Exxon Mobil, March 10th, I got a dividend payment, and it was 87 cents per share. At the time, I had 103 shares, okay? And then my most recent dividend payment, I got, Exxon did a dividend increase, so they went from 87 cents to 88 cents. I now have 109 shares, as you can see, and my dividend payment was $96. So a year later, I went from $89.69 on March 10th, 2021 to $96.07. Now, that doesn't necessarily sound huge, but let me tell you, that is huge. That's very, very exciting because all I'm thinking about is what is the dividend payment going to be in the next 20 years. Okay, if I continue to invest and hold this position with Exxon Mobil, which I believe is not going anywhere. Exxon's a very solid company and they've been around for quite some time. So that was my most recent dividend payment here with Exxon Mobil, and because I have dividend reinvestment turned on Robinhood, which is DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some shares for me, and they grabbed the shares here. As you can see, they were able to get 1.14 shares because the shares were $84.13 at the time, and my dividend payment was $96.07. So once again, they were able to grab 1.14 shares with Exxon Mobil, which is always exciting. Which right now, let's see how many shares I have with Exxon Mobil, just to show you guys here on the screen. Going back, and here we are. So currently I have 110 shares with Exxon Mobil. Okay, so that's really exciting. The dividend payments are quarterly with Exxon Mobil. So of course, if I was trying to figure out how much money I was getting, in regards to dividend payments per month, I would divide the $96 by 3. And for easy math, let's say it's $30-something, because it is $30-something. So that's pretty exciting. I'm very excited about what's to come in the future, but I just wanted to take the time to make this video and kind of share with you guys and show you where I am. I mean, I'm almost 100% as far as my return. Okay, I remember I invested $4,500 and my overall return right now is $4,239.15. That's 85%. You can't ask for more than that. I'm very, very happy in regards to this particular decision that I made to invest with Exxon Mobil, and I wanted to share that with you guys. Listen, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and be sure to smash the thumbs up in this video. It really helps this channel and this particular video. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.